Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. If you teach online a lot like I do, one surefire sign that a class is going well is the fact that students don't want to leave the breakout rooms. Sometimes after I've put students in breakout rooms to do a particular speaking task, I go round the rooms, I pop in and out and I listen to what students are saying. Sometimes I chip in to the conversation with a few ideas or comments of my own. Sometimes I help out if they get stuck or I answer questions. And sometimes I look for things to teach. I look for little gaps in my students' English that I can reword or reformulate or help out with. And eventually I have to stop students and bring them back to the main room. This week we were talking about festivals and I had to stop a particular conversation because we'd gone over the amount of time that I allotted for this particular section of the lesson. And when I brought everyone back to the main room, I could hear people kind of sighing and moaning, saying, "Oh, I was enjoying that. We were in the middle of a conversation." And I had to basically apologise by saying, "Listen, I'm really sorry to be such a killjoy, but time is marching on. We have to move on to the next section, I'm afraid." If you apologise for being a killjoy, if you say, "Listen, I'm sorry to be such a killjoy, but I don't want to be a killjoy," but you're basically apologising because you're the person that's stopping other people's pleasure. So maybe if your neighbours are playing really loud music and having a party late at night, you might have to go around there and knock on the door and say, "Listen, I'm really sorry to be a killjoy, but would you mind just turning it down a bit? My kids are trying to sleep next door." In the same way, if your kids are busy playing, you might have to say to them, "Listen, I don't want to be a killjoy, but you do need to make sure you do your homework tonight." In the same way, if you think someone is spoiling your fun, if you're in the middle of doing something entertaining and enjoyable and someone stops you, you might respond by saying, you killjoy, we were in the middle of that, we were enjoying ourselves." If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps other people find out about what we do. Please do share the video with your colleagues, your students and your friends. And in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use killjoy.